What if I told you HR is not just about hiring people? This is the story of Robin, an HR fresher whose journey reshaped his understanding of the field completely. Recently graduated with an MBA in HR, Robin was brimming with confidence but lacked clarity about the true nature of HR work. He envisioned his first day as a whirlwind of interviews and selecting candidates. But much to his surprise, reality was different. Instead of engaging with potential hires, he found himself updating payroll sheets, preparing attendance reports, and assisting with drafting HR policies. Confusion washed over him as he grappled with these unexpected tasks. In those moments, Robin realized a crucial truth. HR is the backbone of any organization, encompassing much more than recruitment. It includes payroll management, performance evaluation, employee engagement, and labor law compliance. Determined not to remain average, he sought to enhance his skills. Enrolling in HR Basics courses on Coursera, Robin committed to daily learning and made it a priority to update his professional presence on LinkedIn. He began connecting with HR professionals, eager to expand his network and deepen his understanding of the field. Gone were the days of muttering, "This is not my job." Instead, Robin adopted a mindset of growth, embracing every challenge as a learning opportunity. His turning point came when his manager tasked him with preparing an attrition report. Faced with an Excel sheet filled with hundreds of rows, pivot tables, and complex formulas, panic set in. But quitting was not an option for him. Instead, he dedicated himself to mastering Excel, practicing daily, and exploring human resource management systems like Zoho People. Gradually, his confusion transitioned into confidence. Through perseverance, he learned that tools alone do not define an HR professional. Rather, it is the ability to effectively understand people and analyze data that truly matters. If you are an HR fresher feeling lost at the moment, know that this feeling is completely normal. Every confident HR professional you see today started precisely where you are now. The key difference? They chose growth over comfort, pushing through challenges to develop their skills and expertise. Robin's journey reflects the experiences of many newcomers in the HR field. It teaches us that the foundation of a successful HR career lies not only in recruitment but in a wider comprehension of the essential HR functions. In Part 2, we will explore how Robin evolved from a naive fresher into a trusted HR professional, mastering vital skills in communication, compliance, and business strategy.